Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I'm Lungile Khoza, the founder of Zuri Sekani. So Zuri Sekani is a company that produces hypoallergenic skincare products. Right. So what we do is we basically make bath salts, bath bombs, bath milk for people with sensitive skin. So we try to use natural ingredients and shy away from fragrances, colorants, and all of those things that tend to have skin irritations and reactions and so on and so forth. Another service that we provide now, we've got into corporate gifting. So if you ever want to gift your clients, you want to gift your mates, your whatever, I'm your girl for it. How you get hold of me, you can find me on Instagram at Zuri_Sekani. Alternatively, you can contact me on 062-047-0893. Hi, my name is Lungile Khoza and I am a township entrepreneur.